Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an automotive journey that blends heritage, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. We're about to explore the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, a car that represents the pinnacle of British craftsmanship and engineering prowess. Whether you're a car enthusiast, an Aston Martin aficionado, or just someone who appreciates fine design, this is the Vantage redefined for the new era. Design philosophy. Aston Martin is renowned for its unique fusion of form and function, and the 2025 Vantage is a stunning testament to this legacy. The design is sleek, muscular, and assertive, a reflection of both performance and luxury. Every contour of the Vantage's bodywork has been sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency. From the aggressive front grille, which is now slightly enlarged for better cooling, to the sharp lines running across the side, this car is a work of art in motion. The low stance, broad shoulders, and short rear overhang contribute to its powerful presence on the road. The 2025 model introduces a wider selection of custom exterior finishes, with more vibrant color choices that evoke a sense of drama and elegance. The Vantage's design, as always, is unmistakably Aston Martin, a perfect blend of beauty and purpose. Interior excellence. Stepping inside the Vantage is like entering the cockpit of a fighter jet. Aston Martin's interior designers have ensured that every element inside the car is crafted with precision. The seats are now even more supportive, featuring the finest hand-stitched leather and Alcantara, and they're designed for both comfort on long drives and support during high-performance maneuvers. Aston Martin offers more customization options for the interior than ever before. Choose from various high-quality materials like carbon fiber, wood veneer, or brushed aluminum to personalize the interior to your exact taste. The dashboard layout remains driver-centric, with the latest in digital instrumentation and an 8-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to the enhanced sound system. For the 2025 model, Aston Martin has worked on improving the sound insulation within the cabin, making the experience inside the Vantage even more luxurious and refined. You can enjoy the throaty growl of the engine or shut it out completely, thanks to active noise cancellation technology. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood of the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage lies the heart of a beast. The car is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, meticulously tuned to produce an impressive 528 horsepower. This represents a significant increase from previous models, allowing the Vantage to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 195 miles per hour. The power is delivered through an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, which has been further refined for smoother shifts and better responsiveness. Drivers also have the option to engage in a more interactive experience with the paddle shifters, bringing manual control to their fingertips. For the purists out there, Aston Martin has also retained the option of a 7-speed manual transmission, keeping the spirit of driving alive in a world that's increasingly moving toward automation. The Vantage also features an updated adaptive damping system, which adjusts the suspension settings in real time to provide the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising on a highway or tackling tight corners on a racetrack, the 2025 Vantage ensures you have the grip and control needed to handle any situation with poise. Chassis and handling. Aston Martin has focused heavily on the dynamics of the 2025 Vantage, making it one of the most driver-oriented cars in its class. The car features a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, which, combined with the lightweight aluminum chassis, delivers precise handling and razor-sharp agility. For the first time, Aston Martin has also introduced an optional limited slip differential with torque vectoring on the Vantage, significantly improving cornering performance and overall driving dynamics. This system intelligently adjusts the power distribution between the rear wheels, allowing for more stability and control during aggressive cornering. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is not just about raw power and stunning design, it's packed with the latest technology. Aston Martin has partnered with Mercedes-AMG to deliver a top-of-the-line infotainment system that features a revamped user interface and greater connectivity options. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. There's also a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this sports car a breeze. The Vantage's infotainment system has been updated to include over-the-air software updates, ensuring the car stays current with the latest technological advancements. Aston Martin has paid particular attention to the sound experience inside the Vantage. The car comes equipped with an 800-watt premium sound system by Bang & Olufsen, ensuring that your driving soundtrack is as thrilling as the car itself. And if you really want to immerse yourself in the driving experience, the engine note, amplified through the sound system, is nothing short of exhilarating. Safety features. Despite its focus on performance, Aston Martin hasn't compromised on safety. The 2025 Vantage includes a range of advanced safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work together to ensure that you stay safe whether you're driving through the city or pushing the car to its limits on the open road. The structure of the Vantage has been further reinforced with high-strength materials to protect passengers in the event of an impact, and multiple airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin. Sustainability and efficiency. In an era where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, Aston Martin has made strides to ensure the Vantage is not just a performance beast, but also a more environmentally conscious choice. The 2025 Vantage incorporates engine start-stop technology and improved aerodynamics to reduce fuel consumption, giving it an estimated fuel economy of 22 mpg combined. Aston Martin has also focused on using more sustainable materials throughout the vehicle. Recycled plastics and eco-friendly leather options are available, ensuring that the Vantage remains as forward-thinking as it is luxurious. Price and availability. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is expected to arrive in dealerships in early 2025, with orders opening by the end of 2024. Pricing for the Vantage starts at around $150,000 for the base model, but with the vast range of customization options available, the price can easily reach upwards of $200,000 for fully personalized versions. In conclusion, the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement of power, elegance, and uncompromising luxury. This is a car designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life, but who also crave the thrill of driving. From its handcrafted interior to its roaring V8 engine, the Vantage offers a driving experience like no other. So, are you ready to take the wheel? The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage offers an impressive array of customization options to cater to each driver's personal taste and style. Customers can choose from a wide selection of exterior paint colors, ranging from classic shades to bold, vibrant finishes, as well as different wheel designs, including lightweight forged alloys. Inside, the cabin can be personalized with hand-stitched leather or Alcantara in a variety of colors, along with optional carbon fiber, wood veneer, or brushed aluminum trims. Additionally, bespoke options such as custom stitching patterns, embroidered headrests, and even personalized plaques allow for a truly one-of-a-kind driving experience. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage comes packed with cutting-edge technology, enhancing both driving experience and convenience. Key new tech features include a revamped infotainment system, developed in partnership with Mercedes-AMG, featuring a more intuitive 8-inch touchscreen interface with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. The car also boasts a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for seamless parking assistance. Additionally, Aston Martin has upgraded the sound experience with an 800-watt Bang & Olufsen premium audio system and integrated active noise cancellation for a more immersive driving environment. The Vantage's digital instrument cluster has also been updated, providing real-time performance data, customizable displays, and enhanced navigation. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage boasts an impressive top speed of 195 miles per hour, 314 km per hour. This remarkable performance is achieved thanks to its powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which delivers 528 horsepower and 505 pound-feet of torque. The car's aerodynamic design, lightweight aluminum chassis, and advanced suspension system contribute to its stability and agility at high speeds. The Vantage's combination of power and engineering excellence allows it to reach its top speed swiftly, showcasing its status as a premier sports car designed for thrilling performance on both the road and track. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage offers multiple driving modes to enhance the driving experience. These include Sport, which sharpens throttle response and enhances the exhaust note, Sport Plus, for maximum performance and agility, and Wet, which adjusts settings for better traction in slippery conditions, ensuring versatility for various driving environments.